Hi, everybody. My name is Jenna. I live in Northwest Colorado. I've lived here for about 4 years and I absolutely love it. I don't think that I'm going to leave. I am a single mom of a 6-year-old boy who keeps me on my toes and keeps me really busy, but again, I wouldn't trade it for the world. I'm super thankful for what God has given to me and the path that He's led me down. I just took my first teaching job at our local Christian academy. Again, I'm super terrified, but I think it's going to be a really special experience, and I can't wait to see where God takes me. I decided last year to attend Colorado Christian University to pursue my degree in special education as well as K through 6 general education. This is not my normal experience. I started in accounting. That's where most of my work experience is. Last year, I decided to apply for the paraprofessional position at the middle school and fell in love. So I've been attending CCU for almost a year now, and I have 3 more, and I'm really excited. I don't have very much experience with giving speeches. I think my worst and scariest experience was attempting to participate in the kids' church play. I couldn't remember any of my lines. I was super nervous. I stumbled over my words a lot, and it was really hard to stay in character. I'm not really sure why I was so nervous, but I was. What's even more interesting about it is that I have a lot of experience. I shouldn't even say experience. I have a lot of talent with giving instruction to children. Um, when I'm in a classroom setting, it comes really easy to me, and I have no explanation for that except for God. I believe that He gives me the ability to speak in front of my students, and it makes it so much easier. One of my goals for this course is to be able to develop the ability to say what I need to say while I maintain a healthy tone as well as a positive appearance. I believe that God is already using my verbal and nonverbal communication skills to influence many. For starters, my son. He allows these skills to come through in a tone that educates, but also shows love and compassion. Same goes for my students who need the same treatment. I believe wholeheartedly that God gives me that ability. I also know that God uses us in our communication in ways that we don't even know. Romans 8:28 NIV version says, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose." I would hope that God would use my nonverbal and verbal communication for his works. I'm really looking forward to this course. I think I'm going to learn a lot. I can't wait to go check out some other classmates' videos. Hopefully, they're way better than this one. I'm excited to see what we learn and wish everybody good luck. God bless.